Hi guys, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. I hope you are watching my videos, and today's I am going to discuss a problem that is based on engineering mechanics, and the question is the initial velocity of an object is 40 meter per second. The acceleration a of the object is given by a is equal to minus 0.1 v, where v is instantaneous velocity of the object. Find the velocity of the object after 3 seconds. So guys, this question has already been asked in GATE 2015. So what will be your approach? How will you solve it? So in the solution, I wrote initial velocity. In general, we denoted by u, that is 40 meter per second, right? And also we are given an expression a is equal to minus 0.1 v. So guys, this expression is important. Using this expression we are going to find velocity. So how to solve it? See here, we are asked to find velocity of the object after 3 seconds. So guys, we will find velocity using time, right? So our beginning step will be to replace this expression instead of a and v by v and t, because we need velocity and time. So v and t we need, right? So suppose a car moves from a to b covering a distance x in time t. So what is dx by dt? So dx by dt is velocity, right? And what is dv by dt? It is acceleration. Okay. And one more thing, what is dA by dt? It is simply jerk. Okay. So rate of change of position with respect to time is velocity. Rate of change of velocity with respect to time is acceleration, and rate of change of acceleration with respect to time is called jerk. Okay, so I will replace this acceleration by dv by dt. So let me write here dv by dt is equal to minus 0.1 v. Okay, so this implies, so let me separate the variable here. So we can write dv divided by v is equal to minus 0.1 dt. Okay, see here, in this expression we have only v and t, and we need that only. We need velocity and time relation. Okay, so next step will be simply integration. Okay, so we will integrate from initial to final position. So what is integration of 1 by v? Integration of 1 by x dx is simply ln x. Okay, integration of 1 by x dx is ln x. So integration of 1 by v will be ln v. Okay, limit will be 2 1 from 2 1 to 2. Okay, here you can see minus 0.1 is constant, so I am taking it outside of integration. So minus 0.1, integration of dt is simply t, right? And limit will be from 1 to 2. Okay, so here ln v2 by v1 minus 0.1 t1 minus t2 minus t1. Okay, so guys, ln, here we are asking find the velocity of the object after 3 seconds. So we need the final velocity. Our requirement is v2. So let me write v2. And what is v1? What is v1? v1 is simply u, that is equal to v1, that is 40. Okay, so 40. and in the right side minus 0.1. What is t2? What is the final time, guys? 3 seconds is the final time. Okay, after 3 seconds we are asked to find the velocity, and minus t1, that is what is the initial time. Initial time is always taken as 0, so 3 minus 0, that is 3 only. Okay, so if you solve it, v2 will be, so let me use my calculator. It is minus 0.1 into 3 here, right? 3. So if I write ln in right side, it will be e to the power minus 0.3. okay, and I will multiply this 40 in right side, so 40 into 40 will be 29.63 is the answer in meter per second. Okay, so I hope you understood the complete solution. Thanks for watching.